Disclaimer: this is not a financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. The content of this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Trading and investing involves significant risk of loss and may not be suitable for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Only trade with your money you can afford to lose. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. By watching this video, you agree that I am not responsible for any of your financial outcomes. Okay, our mic is fine, everything looks good and fine. So we'll start with our stream and I'll explain my previous setups and what I will be looking for today. So gold has been very confusing and very hard to trade because I remember we entered a buy here, then we got a breakdown of the support, then we entered a sell, and after getting the sell, we left the market. I decided not to trade because it was raining. Then it gave a very good trade, which if I have not been in the loss of these two, I would have slowly taken. It gave a full TP. Then yesterday night, I sold gold. I took a sell, and again we got unlucky by just few points that it just hit our SL. Then and since the morning it is going down, and I swear I was waiting for a sell here after breaking of this point because it closed below the gap that it formed in the night. So I was planning to take a sell here and I sell up is just it is testing our patience and we are getting unlucky in the process. I shared a buy idea yesterday. It is still valid and we got a re-entry here. So I made the entry in the 100 account, but I couldn't do the entry in this. So we'll look to enter. See, as you can see, I've made the entry and it is in profit of $30 and my current account balance has gone down to $1,062 because I faced a loss of $336 yesterday because neither of the trade was going in my favor. Whenever I took a sell, it goes in the direction of buy, and whenever I took a buy, it went to the direction of sell. So it was a very heavy day for me. Okay, so we will enter here. Our SLNTP is set. You can just sense how frustrating it will be for me because the two setups which I decided not to take went to give at least 1:3. One was this, but this is also a learning for me that whatever be the outcome, just stick to your strategy, stick to your plan, and you will be keep my assembly. Just keep taking trades according to your strategy. Don't let your emotions control you. This was a good trade and it would have recovered all my losses here. And the same with this trade as well. Sell here, keeping my sell at the top. I would have easily bought 1:3. I really want to pass my funded account today, and I would be very happy if I get this $20 to $100 today. I've uploaded a video and a short in the channel, so please do watch it. Just wait for a minute. I will quickly update it on my Telegram and my YouTube channel community post so that people can join. Yes, I posted. Can we get a buy? I know we should not look for a buy, but I'm really getting FOMO that I missed this setup. We are getting a buy setup in Bitcoin as well. So what I will actually do, I will intend to buy and put now because this also looks a good setup to me. I'll just take the trade for 1:1. Okay, taking a buy in Bitcoin as well. So it's fine. I'll take it with 0.2. I think it will be fine. It took a lot of margins on my account. And today I'm planning to post a review video about instant funding account. Why I feel it is a very good account for us. Just a second, let me check the rules. By praising it, it should not be breaking the rule. FAQs. Okay, now I can use same as okay. Let's check the rules. Trading instruments, I think. So we go back, holding positions, short, then phase micro. So, okay, we can take one lot trade for crypto 4 lots for FX pairs and 0.3 in gold. Indices, if we trade, we can take a maximum of 2 lots. Okay. I'll try to make the watching panel mode interactive and better. I will add a disclaimer at the top, and maybe we can add a dashboard of our trade and updates in the bottom. So I'll work on it today. Second, that's a little bit low. So gold is a little tempting option because we missed on a beauty of the setup. This is 9:45. I woke up at 9:30. I saw the chart here. I wanted to take the trade, but I thought that I should take the trade in the live, so that's why I didn't take, and that costed us a lot of profit. And if I would have taken the trade here with a 1% loss, we could have bought 1:4, at least 400 of profit. So that's why I'm behaving this way, because we missed out on a lot of profit. We at least want these two trades to play out. Looking at this now, I feel a little suspicious that gold is going down, but these two are going up. We have to be a little more cautious because I don't want to lose anymore. As for once, my account was at $400, and now it is at on the verge of break even, and I've risked $100 on both the accounts. So I'm just wanting to at least get the account to 4 to 500 by today. And we have blown two to three accounts of $20, and I think they were the last to be blown. I will trade very responsibly, and I will for sure get this account to a minimum of 200 to $500. Will try my best. I'll be very responsible while trading this account. No cheap trades, no impulsive trades, just pure and good execution of our strategy. It is now day 12, I think, that I've started streaming. Day 12, or at least a week. So we have learned a lot through our journey, and this is a very good learning experience for me as well. So want to benefit maximum from this. And I think I'll stick to that 30% risk of the original $20 plan. So I'll quickly open that panel and I'll turn my screen on then. $20 challenge. So I've got this. Okay, so for this time I think that we'll go with level by level. And by any chance I get this account, I'm able to get this account to 22. Once I get my account to $26, I will break even my trade and I won't let that balance to lose. So, and the target I will, maximum profit I will target will be $58, and I will keep the risk percentage to 30 only, so that if we fail 4 trades consecutively, then we will lose. So that reduces our risk. And I think there is an option of this is fine. So we wanted to risk 30%. It will pre-decide what lot size we should choose. So it's okay. And we will trade according to this the next time. This is a good tool, I think. Aiming for higher than that could be risky because there could be a lot of liquidity present at the top. So we'll just target for that zone. On Bitcoin, we have taken a risk of $5, and EURUSD too we have taken a risk of $5. So for now we have risked 50% of our account in these two setups. What is gold down? Gold is still going down. Just a moment. Both are giving a pullback. And gold faced some support at this zone. So can look for buys here. But it's just that it has been not working good for me. If I'm trying to scalp, I'm really confused. Should I risk or should I not? If that, if by the time we get some profit margin in both these pairs, I will try to scalp in gold as well. So that will be our plan. We have a resistance here at 5-minute time frame. We'll look to enter if it breaks above this zone. I'll open the liquidity pool to get a view what where gold can start recovering the pool. There is a website of CoinGlass. So we have liquidity at this one. It has reached to this one, so we can possibly see reversals. Is the high liquidity at here, so there is a possibility that it can go down further, but we are hopeful that we'll get our entry as gold is consolidating. It just keeps going up and down, so we'll try our luck in that with a risk of $50 BTC USDT. So if I not consider the day I purchased the account at night, we have just traded it for 2 days, and for the first day we got our account to 400 of profit, and in the second account we almost lost 300. So our account stays at $100 of profit, and if we get a profit of 600 to 650 today, we will pass our account. My target will be to pass it. Yeah, a lot of liquidity is above here, and some liquidity is below this zone too, but we'll have to see that will the market reach here today. If it does so, we'll look for possible setups. If if it changes our bias to selling, this was one of the entry explained by a YouTuber. in his YouTube video that if you see three consecutive bullish candle and with forming a FVG, and then you see a bearish candle and inside bar candle, so you can enter into a sell keeping your SL at the high of the previous candle and TP of 1:3. And my setup says to buy it here, keeping your SL down. So let's see whose setup works here. I'm just looking at as it worked out earlier on Bitcoin as it was a strategy for gold. So no, I don't think so it works. I've seen two such cases where it just went to the SL and in fact gave a rather big movement. Inside bar, continues to fall. So okay. Are we getting a region I was looking at the possible zones I could have entered into my setup, but it would have been too risky to trade the top. There are two resistance that I can find. So one is this one, and the other is this one. Resistance at here also. So if we see a breakout, our setup could be very nice. EURUSD is back at break even, so we'll erase this for now. Buy is looking very good for all of the three. pairs. It's just that we have to give time to the market to play out. We shouldn't hurry. So I checked my YouTube video. It was 8 days before. So it's been 8 to 9 days that I've started trading. Wait for I'll check. I have to check one more thing. We can open a position here as well, but we have planned that we will not risk more than 30%. So we will at least give the account chance to recover if we lost. So this is just date. This is just at the start of this new account. So we'll risk very less. Let me record the clip for my video. The time we can hold the trade by both the accounts. We'll be able to see my display. I'll just turn the camera and the mic off. completed the recording for the video. I explained all the setups and my idea behind it. So if you want a summary of my entire day of trading, you can watch the video which I post every day. EURUSD is now getting rejection from this. Bitcoin can come down to test this EMA or even this support. So and gold is also giving signals that it can now go up and it can be bullish now. So just waiting for gold, but I won't take gold trade on this challenge account. The gold trade will be just for the funded account, and that too depends on how much profits we are in these two setups. For now, we are at the loss of $7 to $8, which is not good for us. The margin taken is 8,319, so maybe we can't take that big of a trade on gold. So I am dropping the idea of buying gold for now, and we'll just trade these two pairs, Euro USD and Bitcoin. Yeah, I'll stick to my plan. Be I, I won't change my psychology. These are the testing phase of your of being profitable, and if I chase emotion and profit, I may still be I would remain still be unprofitable for long. Okay, Bitcoin is now going up as well. Let's see how it goes. Bitcoin has again started to go down, which is at times a little frustrating for me. Also, लबों जिगर का लूंगा हंसी लबों की लाली को सजाऊंगा लुट कर भी तेरे बदन की डाली को लहू जिगर का लूंगा हंसी लबों की लाली ले लिया दिल मेरा चलते चुरा दिया तुमने जो दिल को नजर नहीं चुराना सनम बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम ले लिया दिल मेरा दिया तो दिल को We are in deep drawdown of $33 again. The vicious cycle of loss. It just keep continuing for me. Even after taking some very thoughtful trade with high confluences, the losses keeps coming again and again. Bitcoin has not tested this support zone. Let's see how it behaves here. Let me try an indicator. The chart of pivot point. Does it contribute anything towards trading? So another scenario I was looking at was this. If we get the break of this zone, we can look to sell gold again, keeping our sell at the high of this. Let's see. In 5 minutes, we saw a breakdown of this zone. So just waiting for it to close on 33 seconds is left. So we'll look to enter the trade with the SL is too small. It's just $10 of SL for the funded account. So a sell setup has formed in gold. So if anybody wants to enter, can enter here with the risk and reward of 1:1 and keep the SL here. Okay, I have also entered into a sell. So we have a position in every pair, but average just $10 in it. So load is set up. I don't think so this will get active, but still $35 of risk on this setup as well. 2 to 2.5% of risk for today on the funded account. Let's see how the trade goes. There is a way I can manage risk on my these setups. If I feel it will go down, then if we see a breakdown of this zone, we'll reduce our position to half on the funded account. Same with Euro USD. We see a breakout of this zone. If we see the price doing that, our setups would get invalid. Or should I hold them? It depends on the person who is taking the trade. I Since I've lost approx 300 to $400 from yesterday, I don't want to risk much, but if you have been profitable and you are ready to risk, these three are very good setups, and with a lot of confidence, so you can hold. We check the chart of EURUSD. It has been ranging from June 2025. Not a clear movement in either of the directions, neither in buy nor in sell. Just keep moving up and down. So I think it's high time that it will show a clear direction, and it is a pair that never be in a consolidation for a long time. It just keeps showing clear movement. Gold sells. Is it looking? It is a load setup, so I'll leave it. We're just trying and it play out. Yeah. Little confusing also. Bitcoin and EURUSD somewhat works similar, and gold does its own thing. So they can be correlated, but very by very low percentage. So we can trade simultaneously on three of them. And I think my setup looks fine because I'm in buy, which is common in both the pairs of Bitcoin and EURUSD. Gold, I'm in sell because it's in deep drawdown, deep downside movement, and we'll look to scale in if we get another entry chance in gold. Hmm. In the end, Bitcoin has started going up as well. Gold is reaching its, can we intend to sell with risking $4? Okay, we have took a sell in gold as well. Let's see how it goes. Our SL will be of just $4, $4 to $5, and our TP will be of $18. Let's see how it plays off. So entered into a sell on gold as well. So we have three active positions: buying EURUSD, buying Bitcoin, and selling gold. And here, this is the logic of the trade. I took all the three trades live on YouTube, so you can view the complete description and and to learn how uh, about my setups. These are the three trades I will show you quickly. A sell on gold on the breakout of this zone, and I was hesitant to enter because of my small account, but it's currently at $17.18. But I got a better entry and my risk actually got reduced. Also, my EURUSD and Bitcoin trades are going good, so I can risk this on gold. So these are my three trades. I will update you when I modify or close these positions. Okay. This is the signal that gold is not working in our favor that much. I think now I can go because I've given entry in all the three pairs, and I will update you if I manage any of these positions in either of the account. And I'm thinking to start the live on my Hindi channel, so if you want to still connect and trade with me, you can join me on the live on the Hindi channel. I'll start the live after a break of 30 minutes or so. So okay, thank you for watching the video, and we'll connect tomorrow on the same live stream. I will post a video daily about the daily update of my account and a short, so please do watch that too. And thank you for watching, and bye.